What's going on, guys? Shed here from Bismat, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as a mouse or a touchpad. So probably you're working on something and then all of a sudden you don't know, out of nowhere your mouse breaks down, or maybe your touchpad just misbehaves, so you'll have to need a backup pointing device. So today I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as a mouse. What you'll have to do, you'll have to download an app from the Play Store, an app that is called PC Remote from your phone, and this app will need another app in your computer that is called PC Remote Receiver in your computer, which is over here. So I'm going to leave the link of both apps in the description below. So you open the same app that is called PC Remote Receiver in your computer, and what you'll have to do when you go to that word that says connect in your phone, right there, it will give you a couple of options, that is the Wi-Fi, the cable, and you have the Bluetooth. So I'm going to encourage you to use the Wi-Fi because it's the cheapest. You can just create a hotspot and just connect it to the Wi-Fi in your computer. So click on the Wi-Fi icon there, and what you have to do, first of all you have to create a hotspot. So you go to your phone, create a Wi-Fi hotspot, and probably I'm very sure you know your credentials of the hotspot. So you go to your computer, and in your computer you open your Wi-Fi, and you just turn on your Wi-Fi and then connect. For mine it's Bismat, so it's connecting obviously. So immediately that one connects, it's going to show you all the desktops that are ready to be connected in your phone. So right here I still have my airplane mode here, so I'm going to turn this airplane mode down. Yeah, good. I think we're good to go. Great. Now when you touch the Wi-Fi icon in your phone, it's going to give you the name of the computer. So mine here is Shed Digging. I'm just going to click on the computer, and automatically that one connects. So I'm going to leave my pointing device. As you can see, this one is I'm running my mouse in my phone. So I'm going to unplug the mouse so we can use our touchpad in our phone. So when I unplug, the pointer is gone. So what I'm going to do, as you can see in our windows here, I'm going to close. I'm just going to open a couple of folders using my phone. So as you can see, I'm just dragging it using my phone. So I'm going to open the file explorer. So mark you that the thing that I'm using here is my phone. I'm using my phone to control my computer, so I'm just using my phone as a pointing device, as a mouse, as a touchpad. This is a very great way. For example, maybe you've broken your mouse or your touchpad. So this is a very cool app. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So this app has a couple of things, like for example down here, let me bring back my mouse so you can know where I'm touching. So good, I think we're good. Now my mouse back. So when you look at this app in the phone, down there we have the touchpad, and then we have the games, and then we also have the layouts, we have the utility, and you also have probably your account. So when you go to the games, you can use your phone as a gamepad. For example, you have a phone and you have a game in your computer, and you don't have a gamepad. You don't have to go buying a gamepad, and you have your fucking phone. Seriously, you have a phone, you have a gamepad, so you can use your phone as a gamepad there. So when you the best thing here is the utility. When you go to the utility, you have a couple of things. When you click remote, everything that is being displayed on your computer is going to be displayed. It's going to be displayed in your phone. So when you look at this one, everything there. So when in our computer, when I minimize that window, it minimizes in my phone. So you see, it's a pretty cool app. Yeah, so we're just going to rush a little bit. So everything that is being displayed in your computer can be shown here. So when I minimize it, so you can, for example, you have two people, one can be watching the computer and then the other one can be watching the phone and watching the same thing at the same time. It's pretty cool. Okay, fine. Oh my god, I'm stranded. I never wanted to say that. So we're here, so we can see that you can use a phone as a projector, so everything that is being used in the phone is going to be displayed in the PC. You can also access your PC files in your phone, like for example I have local disk E, all the relevance in your laptop, you can access them in your phone. So I'm going to go back a little bit here. So you can use it as a task manager, you can use it as a blackboard. For example, as a blackboard I have it here, so you can look, I can draw in my computer. You see, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah. So for example, you know how to draw using your hand very well, you can just draw something. You can also use it as your microphone, so whenever you speak here, it's going to be broadcasted in your phone, in your computer. So thanks everyone for watching. If you want to see more from our channel, just subscribe and hit the notification button. And also, if you want to, you can just give us some suggestion on what you want to see from our channel. Thanks, bye.